In today's video, I'm going to teach you how does Google Tasks remind you. If you've ever wondered how those reminders actually reach you and what makes them reliable, this will clear it up in simple, practical terms. First, the most direct way Google Tasks reminds you is with a push notification on your phone. When you create a task and assign both a date and a specific time, the app sends an alert that pops up on your device, typically reading something like "Task Due," followed by your task name. For this to work, make sure notifications are turned on for the app in your phone's settings, and that you have either the Google Tasks app or the Google Calendar app installed. If you use more than one Google account, double-check that the app is using the same account where you created the task, so the right tasks can trigger the right alerts. Next, your tasks also appear inside Google Calendar. Once you add a date and time to a task, you'll see it placed on your calendar at the exact slot you chose. This is useful for planning your day visually and spotting conflicts. Calendar can also send its own notifications for tasks, so if you prefer calendar alerts, you can enable them there too. Think of it as two paths to the same reminder: a tasks notification and, if you want it, a calendar notification as well. If you don't complete a task when it's due, it doesn't disappear. It stays visible in your task list and in Calendar until you mark it done. In many cases, Google will nudge you again, reminding you that the task is still outstanding. These gentle follow-ups help keep important items from falling through the cracks. The key is to mark the task as completed when you're finished. That's what stops the nudges. There's one important limitation to keep in mind. Google Tasks does not support location-based reminders. You can't set it to remind you when you arrive somewhere or leave a place. It's strictly time-based, so setting a clear date and time is essential. If you're not getting reminders, the most common reasons are simple. Notifications might be turned off for the app. You may have set only a date without a time, which is easy to overlook and won't trigger a strong alert. Or the app might not be installed or properly synced with your account. Turn on notifications, add a specific time to your task, make sure Google Tasks or Google Calendar is installed, and confirm your account is syncing. With those basics covered, your reminders should come through right when you need them.